evolutionary biologist, fascinated by the underlying order of the natural world.
You can see patterns everywhere if you look around you. The familiar patterns to us are sand dunes, which recur regularly in a wave-like fashion. Then you get ripples on the water, crystals, of course, and anyone who has seen a snowflake sees the amazing symmetrical pattern in snowflakes. And you can get patterns pretty much all over the place. So, for example, geologists who have studied the flow of rivers have seen that when you get a meandering river, the wavelength of the meander, that is the distance between successive bends, is supposed to be roughly 10 to 14 times the width of the channel, which is this.
This mathematical ratio is seen at all scales, from tiny streams up to the mightiest of rivers.
You know, the amazing thing is that this kind of meandering channel has been identified on other planets as well, including Mars.
On Mars, the rivers have long since dried up. But the arid riverbeds that remain show the same meandering pattern. On Titan, the largest moon of the planet Saturn, the rivers are made of methane, cutting through a bedrock of ice. But even here, the same ratio appears to exist. It seems to hold true for every river, everywhere in the solar system. And we've uncovered many other seemingly universal rules.
You see sand dunes on Mars, and to the best of our knowledge, they are formed by the same principles that the sand dunes on Earth are. And there seem to be patterns of turbulence in Jupiter, similar to what you see in fluid flow on Earth. Also, you see the spiral shape formed by the water when you let it out of your sink. That same spiral shape recurs on the scale of galaxies. So you have the same physical laws governed by the same mathematics wherever you are in the universe.